I have teaching experience as well as in the software experience. I'm pursuing PhD in natural language processing in NLP. I have trained so many students of various courses on artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, deep learning, Python, SQL, so and AWS as well as DevOps. So all these courses which I taught for various batches of students, and already that I have started my own startup that is which is purely related to healthcare, where which I received the patents in that, where I have been collaborated with so many super specialty hospitals in Hyderabad. And even I worked in Indian Space Research Organization for Chandrayaan-2 project between the lander and rover communication. And I worked in Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So IIT Hyderabad in the Artificial Intelligence Department. That is in on computer vision projects I work. So this is my background. So and even just I have start. I'm going to take this course as an artificial intelligence course. So where we have the different modules. First module, I think how many of you have attended yesterday's class? How many of you new today? I think everyone has attended yesterday's class, or today anyone new student came.
I am new, sir.
You are new. So just I will give an overview. What are all the modules are going to cover in this course? First module is Python overview. Just second module is artificial neural networks. So this Python overview, I will take around 20 to 25 hours. So that is what, what are all the basics, what are all the topics will be covered in the Python. So everything I'll tell just like as an overview. This is a separate course. If you need in-depth of the training, this we have this separate training. Second module is artificial neural networks. So this is the main thing for the AI. So what is meant by neuron? So how it is replicated by human brain. So based on the human brain itself, they have implemented this AI artificial neural networks. How it came, what is meant by neuron? So what is meant by single layered perceptron? What is multi-layered perceptron? Forward propagation, backward propagation, what are weights, what are biases? All these things will be discussed very clearly. What is meant by error? What is how the weights get updated? What is meant by weight? All these things will be covered very clearly. And as well as activation functions. So what is the purpose of activation function? Why we need activation function? So what are loss functions? What are optimizers? All these topics will be covered in the artificial neural networks, which are most essential for the computer vision as well as for the NLP. So these are all topics will be covered. So practical. So I will be implementing using Python to develop to implement an artificial neural networks. So and we also will discuss the TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. These are all libraries. So for implementing of ANN using Python, these are the libraries. So we'll discuss these libraries. Based on these libraries, we will implement the ANN. Next module is convolution neural networks. In convolution neural networks, where we will discuss about the computer vision. So how the human have the vision. In a similar way, you will make the computer to see the kind of images, to see kind of objects. It should be able to recognize. Suppose if you have your friends, 30 friends or two friends are there. Two friends you will be used to talk. So if I show to any friend, you are able to recognize who is that person. In a similar way, we will also train the system in order to identify which what that image is based on this convolution neural networks. There are various classification algorithms we have. like LeanNet, AlexNet, VGG16, VGG19, ResNet, InceptionNet, and GoogleNet. All these algorithms we will discuss and we'll cover everything in the practical. So for everything, we need the mathematics background. So that mathematics, if you don't know also, don't worry. I will cover from the scratch all the basics to high level. So, so which I will tell in detail. Next one is we have object detection, segmentation, and tracking. So this is a kind of image where we have a group of people. That is similarly, if you take the pic in the group of people, that is suppose five or six friends of you, one group pic is there. In that group pic, if you upload in the Facebook, so each and every image will be, each and every person in that image will get recognized. Who is that person? So the all that kind of algorithms, how it is implemented, that is by using object detection. So what is the purpose of segmentation and tracking also? I will discuss. These are all can be implemented by using these algorithms. RCNN, fast RCNN, fast RCNN, SSD YOLO models. YOLO V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, like that so many versions have came related to YOLO models. YOLO is nothing but you look once. Just only once it will be looking and it will get identified. So that is meant by YOLO. Next one is module 4, where we are going to cover as natural language processing. So in the natural language processing, we used to cover the libraries that are NLTK, Spacey, Gensim, Stanford, TextBlob. All these libraries will be discussing in detail. So these are all the libraries which are especially for the NLP. That is for the text cleaning, text pre-processing. In the NLTK, we will see in detail what is meant by how to convert the if the entire paragraph is there, so entire paragraph we will break into sentences. From the sentences again we break into the words. The words the system cannot able to understand. So we will be converting that into a numbers. That is called as a vectors. Word to vector. From the word we will convert to vectors. From the word to vector we have different techniques like is there. That is called as one hot encoding, so that is called as bag of words, TF-IDF, between bag of words and TF-IDF, n-grams, unigram, bigram, trigrams, TF-IDF. Next one is word to wake. Next one is embeddings. All these are all techniques which are especially used for the converting from word to vectors. What are the advantages from converting from word to vector? We'll discuss in detail. So just I'm telling, I'm not writing, I'm not typing, just to listen, that's all. So anyway, we'll discuss in depth now. Then I will type and I will show everything clearly in the Jupyter notebook or in the PyCharm, whatever IDs we have, that is VS Code or Google Colab. So any of the thing I will take and I will discuss everything very clearly and I will write the content whatever I am discussing. So just I'm going to tell what are all the topics will be covered in this entire course. So and we used to study the algorithms like RNN, LSTM, what is meant by recurrent neural networks, what is meant by LSTM, bidirectional LSTM, encoders, decoders, BET models, and GPT. This is called, we have seen already, like chart GPT. How you are seeing the chart GPT, that GPT word it came based on this algorithm only. So this is a most advanced algorithm in NLP. This is the last topic of your entire course. So where the GPT is based on this BET models, the GPT it came. So that GPT algorithm we will discuss. So till here, if anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Just today also I have planned to take the demo because of some new people might be joined. That's why I planned for today also a demo. So from the next week, we'll continue. We'll start the course with the Python overview because of some people also have a thing to join. So that's why I did not start at anything today. So if anyone have any doubt, I think some new person have joined now. So whether it clarified or you still you want anything?
No, sir, it's clarified for me.
Okay. So you know Python?
No, I am working as a SQL developer as of now. I'm interested to
Okay,
learn
fine.
Python.
Anyway, I will discuss a Python overview. So in the Python overview, you will get an understand. So if we in depth means just you have to try to practice. I will cover all the topics. Python overview means I will not skip anything. I will cover most of the topics what are all required for our course. Everything I will cover. So if you want to in-depth training and get the practicals more and get the examples should be solved more means then you can join a Python separate course. So in this thing, what are all the required things which are required to write the code for the ANN or CNN or LLP? So I'll discuss all those things related to Python. So this is my plan. So if anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Just we will discuss today and even some of the applications which are related to artificial intelligence. So I will discuss some of the applications today. First of all, you should know why you are studying this AI. Why you need to study. That is the most question. Why you need this course. Why everyone is planning to take this course and get into the AI job. So why? Why this is happening? Everything is making as an automation because of AI is nothing but replica of human. How the human is there? Exactly, we are making replica. I think you know Sophia. Whether you know Sophia, everyone,
Yes,
Sophia, who is Sophia?
say like human machine.
So Sophia is the first in a robot news reader. So they have started this Sophia as well as one of the company that is AI Minds or some company is there. For that company CEO also AI robot. You know that one? For one of the company CEO is AI robot. So which
No,
is implemented that they have implemented and they have that person is a CEO. I think uh, I will show that. So how the human will respond the similar way, the robot also will get respond in the same way. That is all everything get implemented because of AI. So that is where we have the if you also want to develop such kind of robots from your end, so you should know the concepts of CNN, convolution neural networks, natural language processing, and even one thing, another thing also you should have to know that is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning example is like the chess game. If you are playing in an online chess game, so that is if you're not choosing any person, automatically system will be able to respond. I think you know everyone that chess game if you play in an online. So if no person is playing with you, so automatically the system will be playing with you. So how the system knows which step has to take in the chess, that all be possible because of reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is nothing but it will learn from the faults. But that NLP CNN is first of all we will train the data. Based on that, it will give an output. But reinforcement learning is not like that way. Reinforcement learning is based on the mistakes it will learn. That is an example of reinforcement learning, like online chess game. Next one, if you are writing a Gmail, Suppose if you are writing a Gmail or if you are typing something in the WhatsApp, and if you are typing some wrong spelling, automatically it will be showing some of the correct spellings. Think everyone knows. Please respond so that it will be an interactive, and I will also get interest to tell some more examples. That only I'm expecting from you. Just only response I need. So that it should be like as an interactive. It should not be like as a in the school like teacher and child. So that is a school. This is not a school. You are all professionals. Please be interactive. So then it will be very good and informative. Moving on further. So that even I need responses from you. I need answers from you. So just we'll learn together. Then it will be a good sessions for us in the upcoming future. Suppose that is the thing I told. Next, automatically the spelling it will be showing. Suppose if you are writing as a spelling as SKOOL, school, automatically the correct spelling it will be showing. So how this is happening? Because of NLP, natural language processing. So in the Gmail, if you are creating, automatically it will be whatever the mail you have got from someone, if you want to respond to that mail, automatically some response is coming in the Gmail. I think you all see at the bottom of the Gmail it will be showing as like hi, how are you, or something, thanks a lot, something like this it will be showing. I think everyone you see, or otherwise thanks. So it will be recommending some of the words based on the context which you got from someone. Based on that, it will get respond. It is showing that some kind of words. So whether you will take those words or not, that all depends on you. But AI will be recommending that based on that mail, it is showing some of the words. Next, the same way, if you are seeing on YouTube, the captions is coming in the YouTube. If you are going to check in the YouTube channel or anywhere, the videos, if you want to, if you are seeing, if you type CC at the bottom of an video, automatically it will show the captions. How it is happening because of NLP. So next, so the AI applications I am going to discuss now. The similar way, if you see Ola and Uber, if you are booking a cabs, so automatically the price is going to get changed. How it is happening? Because of AI. So based on this time, so the price will be somewhat. The price may be increased from particular time to time, 10 to 1 like that. So the same distance, if you try to book the cab evening or night, the fare will get reduced. How it is happening? No human is doing. Automatically it is showing. So how this all happening? Because of AI. If you take Swiggy and Zomato, uh, suppose if you are trying to book some book food from any restaurant, automatically it is able, if you are searching some dish in the search box in the Swiggy or Zomato app, automatically it will be showing some of the options which that dish is having, how many in the particular dish, in how many restaurants it is available, it is showing. So based on that, it will be recommending for you from which restaurant you have to buy that food. So like that also it is going to recommend. So this also possible because of the AI. The similar way, if you are trying to buy any products from Flipkart or Amazon, so if you are buying any product, automatically, suppose if you are buying a laptop, so in from Flipkart channel or Amazon, whatever it may be. From that, if you are trying to buy the laptop, so automatically it is going to recommend that you can buy the mouse, you can buy the keyboard. At the bottom, it will be showing us some recommendations for you, how it is happening because of NLP and as well as machine learning application, both combining it. Next, if you are taking an example, suppose suppose if you are watching some movies in Netflix or anywhere, some OTT platforms, if you are watching any movies, automatically it is going to recommend some of the movies based on your genre, based on your interest. If you are always, if you are showing interest to watch comedy movies, based on that only, it will show all the comedy movies what are all there in the playlist based on your interest. It automatically showing all these things, how it is happening because of AI. So from daily, whatever you are seeing, everything, most of the things are based on AI only. So that is why in the future, every day, each and every application, what we are using, what we are seeing, everything daily, everything it is going to convert to an AI. So for this converting to an AI from existing product to an AI application, so because of that only, so many AI jobs will come in the future. So whatever it is existing, it is going to convert to an AI. So the even the testing also, the so before we have the telecaller jobs or non-voice process jobs, these are very more compared to today existing jobs like BPO. The BPO jobs are very high in the previous years. Compared this from the last year onwards, the jobs get reduced. Why? Because of automatically chatbot is responding. That is why because of NLP. So even in the future, next jobs also is ready to get convert to an AI. The next job is nothing but testing. So they for testing jobs also they are planning to get convert to an AI. So no need of any tester person in the 1 or 2 years. So they are trying to convert everything to an AI application. Automatically it will get test without even human interruption, anything. No need of any human. So even the programmer also nowadays automatically it is able to write the program through ChatGPT. So because of that programmer jobs will lose, it's wrong. So programmer is an essential. So even it is showing the some code in the ChatGPT, but sometimes it may be correct, sometimes it may not be correct, sometimes based on what the logic you need, it may not be showing that one. So that means ChatGPT, which is not get trained properly and which is not that much accurate. So it is okay to reach to level exact up to 85 to 90% accuracy, but it is not reaching to the level what we are expected. So the programmer is an essential. They will not lose any job. That is sure. But I am telling for the remaining applications, they are trying to convert to an AI. So these are the examples. Nowadays in the China and in the some of the countries also, they are converting from news readers. News reader jobs are get replaced by an AI. Our news reader jobs has been replaced because of AI. The similar way we have the self-driving cars. If you are going to see the self-driving cars without the driver, the car will go on the road. So no driver is required. So just if you sit in the car, that's fine. Automatically it will get drive. It will start an engine, it will drive automatically. So how this is happening? Because of AI. Like that, even IIT Hyderabad people, they are doing the self-driving cars, which they are planning to implement soon in India. So still, if you know any applications, so each and every person, at least one application you can talk. So what are all the applications you are seeing from daily life? So one by one, please tell any application what you seen in your life, in your existing life, what you have seen come across in and around you and AI applications. Please speak with, please discuss. Nandita, can you tell any of your AI application what you seen? Nandita, Nirusha, if Irfan Basha, Sai Kiran, Shahul, Suresh.
I have
Recently, I've seen this application like I don't know, like in Instagram, Modi was singing songs and all using AI.
Yes,
That is one, and also the images, cropping the images with the nature, like with birds, with beach and all these things.
yes.
newly I have
Yes.
seen Face AI and Lensa.
Yeah, Amazon Alexa. And in
Yeah,
the kind
Alexa.
of an Facebook, if you see, if you take an image and you can ask an AI that after 60 years, how I look like. It will be showing the image based on your picture. I think you come across this kind of application in Facebook. So
Yes.
how you look after 60 years old, how you look after 90 years old. So So like that, some questions is asking based on that, it will be showing an image. So that is an AI application. So if you are going to see some image, if you are taking some kind of an image, based on that image, it will be generating the text. Suppose, for example, two persons are sitting on the bench. Two persons are sitting on the bench, that is in a classroom, for example, and we have taken that picture. Automatically the AI will be telling that two persons are sitting on the bench. Just it will give an caption based on the image. Whatever the things, whatever the content which is present in an image, based on that it will generate a text. Yes.
Okay.
Still any applications you have seen?
Is it Chat GPT?
ChatGPT is an application that we discuss. Still you have seen any applications like plagiarism? I think you come across plagiarism. Whatever the
Jelly.
content you are writing, something in the document or everything, that is like we have the software, the familiar software which is Turnitin. So it will be showing. So if you have copied from any internet source, whatever the data, so even in the US or any countries also, they will be check the plagiarism for assignments. So whatever the content you have prepared, so whether is it genuine or you have copied from any internet source, that it can be able to tell by the Turnitin software. So if you are copied from which source it copied also, it will be showing. So this is a kind of an example of NLP. Still any topic, anything, any applications?
Mid-journey stable diffusion.
Table diffuser. What you told? Can you repeat it again?
Mid-journey
So that means, can you describe that application?
image creating. A.
Image creating.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stable
So
diffusion.
So next thing is another application is if you have lot of content in the book, if you are unable to read that whole content in the document, just if you keep that entire document in a one software that is text summarizer, some softwares are there. I will give you a list of softwares which are related to AI. You can explore those softwares whenever is the time you have possible. So if you keep the entire content in that book, in that software, automatically it will be give the summary of the entire document. No need to read the so many pages of document. If you want to read that entire document in very short time, if you want to know within few minutes the whole book, what the content it is having, just it will give the summary of that entire book. That is an example of an AI. Still, automatic, suppose if you are giving an image or if you are giving a single word. So suppose I have given the word as Python. Based on the Python, so I can ask an AI that generate a story, generate a document based on Python word. So if I ask like that, it will narrate a story. How we will read a story well, the stories, story writers. We have the story script writers if they know related movies, etc. The AI can able to write the stories on its own based on one single word. If you give, based on that itself, based on that it will narrate a story. Even the songs also and music also, some different tones also it can be generated through AI. So for music related to movies, so if you want to know the movies, what kind of music the people are liking more interested, based on that it will be generate a new tone. Next, facial attendance based recognition. Based on in some of the offices, somewhere it is getting implemented no, nowadays. Based on the face, it will be, you can able to enter into the office main gate. So instead of doing the scanning of the card directly based on the face itself, it can able to detect you. So this person is from our office. Based on that, it entry gate will get open. So automatically the attendance also will get marked instead of giving a biometric punches. So it is get replaced through facial detection. Still, what applications? Still, we have so many. Can you discuss what are all applications still we are having?
I have seen one AI personal trainer.
Personal trainer. So
Yes,
what it will do?
it will do the fitness like what was my daily fitness and workout details, and it will give recommendations to reach this what I need to do, whatever the fitness plan I need to maintain.
Yeah.
This is all
So
recommendation.
because we have different applications for each and every application we are seeing, if the application, so AI is getting implemented. Whatever we are doing manually, all the manual human mindset is getting replaced through AI.
Yes.
The similar way, based on the people's interest, what they are watching more, even the time scheduler for a TV programs also nowadays it is getting by an AI. So at this time, what the people are showing more interest to watch that particular show or particular movie or whatever it is. Based on that, it will automatically create the timing of the entire program. That is, it will plan the total day event. So at this time, this movie has to be there. At this time, this show has to be there in a particular channel. This all also it is possible because of an AI. That is previously, especially for TV programs, some planners will be there. Nowadays, those planners also will get replaced by an AI.
In games also I have seen recommendation while playing
Yeah, games
in
also,
step.
yes. So you now you can understand how much it is important for taking this course. How much important for to learn all these things to do by you also this kind of an application. So that's why everyone is preferring to take an AI, to join into an AI course as well as to go in the future as an AI developers. So because of everything, it is going to get replaced by an AI. So that it will come in the future within few years only. So lot of AI developers, lot of data scientists which are required in the future. So nowadays only one by one it is coming. In the future also it will come more. So based on the context, suppose you have some kind of an application. You don't know how to use that application. You will install that application, but you don't know how to use that application. It will be showing automatically, it will show some video. The AI will be created a video for you how to use that application. So that is also possible because of an AI. Suppose if you don't know some topic, so to know about the topic, so just you can ask an AI to create a video for this content in easiest explanation as much as possible. If you ask that, it will be generating for you. So how much utilization you can use for an AI, and you can get all the solutions from an AI. Every solution you will get. Like that it is getting trained. Why this all happening? Because of this entire whatever it is having the so many Wikipedia or Google content is there. So if you are typing some kind of a, suppose if you are typing a in the Google as for example data science. If you type in the Google data science, it will be showing so many pages. so many links it will be showing. But you are very confused. In which link I have to go this and in which link I will find the good content. You will be very confused by having so many number of pages and you cannot go each and every page and what you want you cannot go and search in each and every page. So instead of that, Chat GPT itself, it will recommend which page will be better. So it will show direct solution. This page is good. You will find this entire content. So you can, this is a solution for you. Instead of having Google is showing, instead of having so many pages, so ChatGPT, what you have told that ChatGPT, that application, it will show the exact content of what you have asked. It will not show the number of pages, all the content. That is a possible because of AI. Next, and we have in the mail, sometimes we'll be getting a mail that you have win a lottery of 1 crore, or you have a win of, you got a selected in a, as a resident of Canadian or resident of USA. You got a visa, you will be getting a visa within few months. Like that, some kind of mails we will be getting. Previously, we have all that such kind of mails will be in the inbox only. So now if you observe nowadays, that kind of mails you are not getting nowadays, most of the times. Why means because of all that content is going to the spam folder. If you check in the spam folder, all this whatever I told kind of lottery and whatever the unwanted, some kind of unused, what we did not require that particular mail, that kind of all that content, everything we are getting into the spam folder. If you check in the spam of your Gmail, you can see all that mails which are coming from the so many XYZ users. So we are getting a genuine mails which will be content, that content will be present in a inbox. That is spam and non-spam. All the spam kind of messages will be going into the spam folder. All the non-spam kind of images will be going into an inbox. Still, if you want to discuss, you can discuss. Please, you can tell still what all the applications you are seeing. Previously, if we are going I think it in the Bangalore, it is getting implemented. I don't know in the Hyderabad whether it is implemented or not. So in Bangalore, say if you are seeing this, suppose if you are not keeping an helmet whenever you are driving, automatically you will be getting a fine for you. You can see into the particular application. There you will be seeing a, just you did not keep an helmet, because of this you have to pay the
Yes,
fine.
yes, I have seen.
So this is not taken by the any police. Automatically the cameras will be there in the signals. Cameras will get captured. If you not keep an helmet, directly it will be getting into your mobile app that you did not keep an helmet. Because of that, you have to pay the fines also rupees. And if you go as a triple riding on the bike, automatically it will be able to detect and it will be showing in your application. You have to pay the fine because of you are going as a triple riding so and so area. It will be able to give that kind of a message based on the detection. That is a combination of their CNN and NLP. NLP is purely on the text, CNN is completely on images. Still, any applications are there? Before, previously, manual control of traffic signals will be there. Nowadays, automatically the traffic signal is getting displayed. So when at that time red signal, when at that time green signal has to get displayed, it is getting automated. No need of any human there. Based on the traffic, so and so traffic at this time, there will be a so much traffic will be there on this road at this particular junction. So for every 5 minutes, automatically it will show a red signal. So this is because of an AI only. So no need of any human interruption there. Still any applications? So if you're going to see an website, the website if you are seeing, automatically at the right side corner, one chart box will be there nowadays. So each and every institute website or any familiar software institutes or like as a what I can say that familiar software companies website or whatever it may be. So the websites, if you see at the corner, one chart box will be there at the right side corner of your website. That if you are telling that how can I assist you, it will be asking. That are all not asking by humans. It is asking by the mission itself. It is asking by the uh, chatbot. It will be asking how may I assist you. Hello, hello, so and so name. Hello, Shahul. So how can I assist you? So it will be you are will be giving response based on that question what they have asked. So you will be giving a response to that. So it will be again respond based on the answer what you have given. So how this is happening? No human is responding there. It is happening by mission only.
Even
Sometimes
in
it,
WhatsApp, all customer service is replaced by chatbot. First, we will
yes,
get response from chatbot only.
yeah.